Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the formula of compound interest. है ना? Here in the previous video we have discussed the questions based on compound interest on the long process. है ना? तो लॉन्ग प्रोसेस पे जब भी हम लोग जाते हैं तो क्या होता है कि टाइम टेकिंग होता है ना? नाउ in this video we are going to discuss formula for amount है ना when the interest is compounded annually है ना. There are three cases कि when the interest is compounded annually, first case. Second one is when the interest is compounded annually but rate is different for different year. Third one, that is when interest is compounded annually but time is in fraction. Then there will be little bit change in the formula for all these three cases है ना. By using this formula the calculation becomes very easy and you are going to solve many problems on the based of this formula है ना. Now there is some problem over here when the question you are having a question paper and you are having a question based on compound interest, then अगर वहाँ पे आपको ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि इस फॉर्मूला को इस्तेमाल करना है, then you can apply it है ना. then you can apply that formula and calculate the compound interest. but अगर क्वेश्चन में लिख दिया जाए कि विदाउट यूजिंग फार्मूला कैलकुलेट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, देन यू हैव टू यूज दैट लॉन्ग प्रोसेस ओनली है ना, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट द मार्क्स. ठीक है, तो पहला केस हमारा है, आज का टॉपिक है दैट इज कंपाउंड कैलकुलेटिंग कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट दैट इज CI यूजिंग है ना, बाय यूजिंग फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, फॉर्मूले बोलते हैं उसको. देयर आर थ्री केसेस. द फर्स्ट केस इज व्हेन द इंटरेस्ट is compounded annually है ना. when the interest is compounded annually, then let principal be rupees P, rate of interest be R%, and time period be n years. Therefore the amount A is given by the formula that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest and n is the time period है ना. From here you can calculate the amount. After that, therefore compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. You will get the required solution है ना. मतलब कि आपको अगर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालना होगा तो अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल कर लेंगे अमाउंट निकालने के बाद. तो वी विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला है ना व्हेन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एनुअली है ना. द सेकेंड केस, The second case is when the interest is compounded annually, when the interest is compounded annually, है ना, but rates are different, but rates are different for different year, are different for different year, then there will be change in the formula. Excuse me. Let principal is equal to rupees p, है ना. For example, time is equal to for 2 years. Okay. Let the rate of the interest be p% per annum during the first year and q% per annum during the second year. So let p% for the first year, है ना, and q% for the second year. Okay, then there will be amount for 2 year, amount is equal to p into 1 plus the first year के लिए आपका क्या है, that is p by 100, है ना, into 1 plus q by 100, and this is your formula for amount, है ना. When rates are different for different year. Okay, we are going to see the case number 3rd. When interest is compounded annually but time is a fraction, ठीक. तो फॉर एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज टाइम इज 2 whole 3 by 5 year. So the formula of amount is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100. The whole number can be written as the power of this into, that is 1 plus 3 by 5 is the fraction part of the time is multiplied with rate divided by 100, है ना. So the formula for third case is this, to find out the amount. From here you can calculate the compound interest, that is amount minus principal, है ना. On solving from here you will get the amount, and after that you will put the value over here and you will get the compound interest. ठीक है. So we will do problems, 3 problems on the 3 cases. Okay, the first problem is, see, this is the first question based on the formula, है ना. By using formula you can calculate the amount and compound interest. Find the amount of rupees 8,000 for 3 years compounded annually at the rate of 10% per annum. Also find the compound interest, है ना. First of all we have to calculate the amount for rupees 8,000, and after that you will find the value, you have to find the value of compound interest. So the solution for this question, first of all we will write the given value, that is p is equal to rupees 8,000, time is equal to 3 years, okay, and the rate is given, that is 10% per annum. So using formula you can write amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. N is the time period. So the value of P is 8000, 1 plus the value of R is 10 divided by 100 to the power 3. See, this can be written as 8000 into 110 divided by 100, that can be written as 11 by 10 का whole cube. So the next step will be, that is 8000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. The 30 to the denominator cancel out with the principal. So the value is 8 into 11 into 121. So from here you can write 88 into 121. This can be written as amount is equal to rupees 10,648. ठीक है, on multiplying 121 with 88 you will get 10,648. This is your amount. We got the value of amount. After that we have to find the value of compound interest. Therefore compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. The amount is, that is 10,648 minus 8,000. You will get the required answer, that is 2,648 is the compound interest. Okay, so this question is based on the first case. Okay, we are going to see the next question on the base of second case. See, question number second, based on the second formula, that is case number 2. Find the amount of rupees 50,000 after 2 years. Okay, compounded annually, the rate of interest being 8% per annum during the first year and 9% per annum during the second year. Also find the compound interest, है ना. Simply the question is saying that we will write the given portion, that is P is equal to rupees 50,000, है ना. Time is 2 years, time is 2 years, है ना. The rate of interest being 8% per annum, the first rate is given, that is P percent is equal to 8%, है ना. P का वैल्यू कितना दिया हुआ है, 8% दिया हुआ है, एंड Q का वैल्यू कितना दिया हुआ है, that is 9% per annum. Okay, so by using the formula, we can write the amount is equal to P into 1 plus P percent by 100 into 1 plus Q percent by 100, है ना. So the value of P, that is principal, that is 50,000, 1 plus 8 by 100, okay, 1 plus 9 by 100. On calculating this you will get the amount, that is 50,000 into, this can be written as 4 2 ja 4 25 ja. So you can write 27 by 25 into 109 by 100. Okay, double zero is cancel out, 25 1 ja 2 times 50. Okay, it becomes 20 into 27 into 109. Okay, On solving this, you will get the that is 58,860. Okay, 58,860 is the total amount at the end of total amount for 2 year, है ना, 2 साल के लिए। ये आ गया, तो अमाउंट तो आ गया, तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल, दैट इज 58,860 minus 50,000. Okay, from here you will get the compound interest, that is 8,860 is the compound interest. देखिए अलग अलग साल के लिए अलग अलग रेट दिया हुआ था, तो वी हैव यूज द सेकेंड फार्मूला, दैट इज सेकेंड केस, है ना। Now we are going to move on the question number 3 based on the case 3. See question number 3, that is find the compound interest on rupees 31,250 at 8% per annum for 2 whole 3/4 years, है ना। Then in this question there is a fraction part, है ना, fraction on the time period. So we will use case number 3. जब कभी भी टाइम फ्रैक्शन में होगा तो हम लोग तीसरा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, डेट इज़ अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल इंटू 1 प्लस रेट बाई 100 टू द पावर होल नंबर इंटू 1 प्लस द फ्रैक्शन पार्ट इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ रेट डिवाइडेड बाई 100. ओके, सो द गिवन पार्ट in this question is, that is principal is equal to rupees 31250, that is 31,250, and the rate percent is given, that is 8% per annum, and time is given, that is 2 whole 3/4 years. So amount, we can write amount after 2 whole 3/4 years is equal to principal 1 plus rate by 100 to the power, that is n, okay, and into 1 plus the fraction part, that it will be p by q into rate by 100. Okay, so the principal is, that is 31250 into 1 plus rate is 8%, 8 by 100, n is the whole number of time period, है ना, that becomes 2 into 1 plus p by q is the fraction part, है ना। n का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 2 है और p by q का वैल्यू क्या है, 3/4 है. So we will put 3/4 into 8 divided by 100. On calculating this you will get the amount, है ना. The amount is equal to rupees 31250 into, it becomes 27/25 का होल स्क्वायर into 2 times 6, है ना. So it becomes 106/100, है ना. Now 1010 is cancel out. Okay, this can be written as 3125 into 27/25 into 27/25 into 106/10, है ना. On solving this you will get 38637, है ना. तो इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद हमारा 38,637 अमाउंट आने वाला है, ठीक है. देयरफॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. द अमाउंट इज 38,637 माइनस द प्रिंसिपल इज 31,250. On subtracting this you will get 7,387. This is your compound interest, है ना. तो like this you will solve the problems on the based of different type of questions, है ना. So you have to do questions based on this formula from the exercise that is 11B. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.